Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
O son of Bhrigu Shaunak, when the child Parikṣit, the great fighter, was in the womb of his mother, Uttara, and was suffering from the burning heat of the Brahmastra thrown by Ashvathama, he could observe the Supreme Lord coming to him. Death generally involves remaining in trance for 7 months. A living being, according to his own action, is allowed to enter into the womb of a mother by the vehicle of a father's semen, and thus he develops his desired body. This is the law of birth in specific bodies according to one's past actions. When he is awake from trance, he feels the inconvenience of being confined within the womb, and thus he wants to come out of it, and sometimes fortunately prays to the Lord for such liberation. Maharaj Parikṣit, while in the womb of his mother, was struck by the Brahmastra released by Ashvathama, and he was feeling the burning heat. But because he was a devotee of the Lord at once appeared himself within the womb by his all-powerful energy, and the child could see that someone else had come to save him. Even in that helpless condition, the child Parikṣit endured the unbearable temperature due to his being a great fighter by nature. And for this reason the word Vera has been used.